In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify Collabs, find brands and influencers. By the end, you'll know exactly how to install the app and move through the onboarding so you can start recruiting creators, building programs, and managing payouts with confidence. First, head to your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, open the Apps area and click Add to Browse for new apps. When the window opens, choose Shopify App Store to jump into the marketplace. In the search bar, type Shopify Collabs and press Enter. Select the Shopify Collabs listing, then click Install. You'll be prompted to confirm permissions. Go ahead and click Install again to complete it. This adds Collabs to your store and launches the setup. Inside Collabs, you'll see an onboarding flow designed to get you up and running quickly. Start by opening Recruiting. This is where you shape how creators find you and apply. Review the options and note the highlighted fields. They usually indicate important pieces like your public application page details. Keep your message clear so creators instantly understand your brand and what you offer. Next, go to Programs. This is the heart of your collaboration setup. You'll be guided to choose a few foundational settings. Choose your commission structure so creators know how they'll be rewarded. Choose which products or collections are eligible for commissions if you want to limit payouts to specific items. Choose any gifting or discount approach you plan to offer to sweeten the deal. And choose how you want to approve applicants, manually for tighter control, or automatically if you're building volume. Don't worry, you can refine these later as you learn what works. Move into Connections to review how your brand connects with social platforms and other channels. This helps creators verify your presence and makes discovery easier. Then open Payments to confirm how you'll pay commissions. Use this section to set your payout method and basic preferences so payments are accurate and timely. In Settings, double-check branding and notifications so applicants receive the right information at the right time. Return to the Collabs home within your admin and click Get Started to launch the guided checklist. Where you see highlighted prompts, fill in the essentials. Things like your headline, a short description of your program, and any key requirements. Continue through each prompt to finalize your earlier choices. When everything looks right, click Finish Setup. That's it. Your Collabs program is live and ready to attract partners. Keep your messaging concise, your commission clear, and revisit these sections anytime as your strategy evolves.